What's up? I always read online that this is not necessarily a bad muffler. It's no secret that this year Dozer and I are probably going to put bigger turbos on these machines. So we talked quite a bit about Dozer getting a new exhaust, which we did, but we also wanted to find out, is all the talk, is all the hoopla around this being a
restriction?
Yeah, a restriction that's actually going to slow you down. Because, you know, this machine has a cat delete pipe on it already, so the only thing that's not replaced is this muffler.
Yes.
So what we're going to do, it's charging right now, but the talk on the street are these Dragy deals, and apparently these are like super accurate. So we got one. We're going to do some 0 to 60 times like this. Then we're going to put the new exhaust on, do some more 0 to 60 times, and see if we actually get some performance gains out of only just replacing the exhaust.
Interesting.
It is. So what kind of exhaust did Dozer get? Well, see, so many compliments on the looks and the sound of my exhaust. Why don't you show them what you picked up?
Oh, something pretty similar, actually, exactly, but it's got a little more bling to it. There's a lot of sexiness going on here.
I would say.
So this is a stainless steel one, all pimped out.
Yep, that's the HMF Titan XL stainless steel version. Very pretty.
Yes.
There is no restriction. So I'm thinking once we get Dozer's off, maybe we'll cut his in half and just see what's going on in there. But that looks like power.
Yeah.
Looks like freedom of horsepower.
Yeah, I'm excited. These things, the fit and finish on them I'm impressed with. And like you said, on the cat delete pipe, this comes with ports for, can you explain those a little bit for everybody?
Yeah, so each exhaust usually comes with an O2 sensor, bung already welded in, and then most of the time you have to pay extra to get a wideband welded on. HMF comes with an O2 and a wideband port pre-welded on at no additional cost, which I think is pretty fantastic.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Now people aren't going to know who's who. You're going to look, well, you won't look like me, but you'll sound like me.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking that's okay.
Yeah, should be good.
Okay. So the first thing we need to do is do some 0 to 60 times with this muffler on, and then we're going to come in, take that garbage off, put that on, and do some 0 to 60 times. Let's go out and play.
All right.
On your go! I wasn't expecting you to pull a 3.7 right out the hole.
Yeah, she's running good.
What'd that one say?
3.84.
I was not expecting you to go that fast.
No, I wasn't either, but it's cold out, so these things always run good when it's cold. It's about 29 degrees, 28, 29 degrees.
Yeah, it's a
right
little
now.
chilly
It's
out
chilly. But those were fast pulls.
Those
We
were?
both weren't expecting that quick.
No, I was expecting low fours, to be completely honest with you.
Yeah.
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 Hey, maybe there's something to be said for that KWI clutching. We did just get our clutches back.
Right?
It's gonna look a lot better than that, and it's gonna sound a lot better than that.
Yeah.
You're not gonna sound like a whimpering sea lion rolling his way down a hill.
Whimpering sea lion. You kind of just called me fat right there, didn't you?
No, that.
Oh. Yep, that's down.
Wow, that's pretty. I can see why they cover it up with this.
Dozer power.
You got one more.
No, I don't, do I?
Yeah, there's 4.
Yeah, but I'm tired. I thought for sure I had that one.
You didn't, though.
Whatever you do, don't drop that. I'm just curious.
About what? Oh, God. Oh, God. Cover your ears. Oh, my God. Just run it like that, dude.
Hey, we're done.
That is louder than loud. I'm curious to know what inside of that looks like.
Yeah. We should probably find out. Well, what are you doing with your helmet on?
This safety equipment. I must have left my safety goggles in the shop.
Oh, you mean in the store?
This is probably a horrible idea. Do not recommend this at all.
I didn't think your blade's long enough. I think you need a longer blade. Not even a very good effort.
Oh, you're gonna say some stuff like that, huh?
This is gonna be good. I might want to get up for this one.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Come on, hit it, man. Come on.
Well, against the better judgment of probably every single person who just witnessed that, I made some progress. I think I can understand the insides of this exhaust a little bit now. And by no means would I call this any remote kind of free flowing. So it looks like it comes in from the downpipe, goes into this chamber that's full of padding, which is probably already not good. I'm sure there's a pipe that goes through there, and that padding is probably just for like heat absorption and sound deadening probably. But then if you look in here, you can see that it probably follows through there, because over here you can see a wall. So there's obviously 3 chambers of this thing. So my guess is it comes in, goes over here, comes around, and then comes out to go out here. And when it comes out, it's got to go underneath that tiny little crack there. Free flowing my butthole. So not only is it like an S, it is a very restrictive S. No good. No good, Dozer.
Nope.
No good. Thank you for letting me attack this with an axe. Appreciate it.
Wait, I didn't say you could do that.
Too bad. What are you doing?
Nothing. Just hanging out.
Yeah? Hanging out doing what?
Playing with my turbo.
Oh, so when you hear everyone talk about how much of a pain it is to get that V-band off, there's good reason for it. But we got it. Undid it. A couple love taps with a hammer and a flathead, some yanking, and voila. And voila.
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 Yep. It's looking good.
Yep. So we just got the cat delete. Huh? What?
I can't believe you wrecked my pipe. Anyway.
Yeah, so we just got the O2 sensor out.
Yep.
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 Now we get to start putting the new stuff in.
Good.
I do believe we found Dozer's kryptonite, and it is doing an exhaust.
Now, let me just say this. Aaron goes, so are you good for me to start recording again? That's how my patience is right now. And I said, sure. So, fair warning to anybody watching.
Good news is we got the down pipe on. We got the O2 sensor on. We're putting the heat shields back on. Zip tying the O2 sensor plug in. Man, those V-band clamps are just a lot of fun. I don't know how else to describe them other than just a great time. So.
Just lounging.
Yeah.
Work's done.
Yeah, the work is done. This exhaust is more efficient at handling heat, like getting the heat out. Like like the motor is not getting as heat soaked because the times are staying fast.
They're staying more consistent. Yeah.
Right.
We're not losing time as we make runs.
Right. So we made run after run after run, and the time stayed consistent. We weren't falling off.
Yes. Yep.
That makes sense to me.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So there you go. It is absolutely a noticeable performance gain. 100%. And it looks sexy. Sounds freaking beautiful. You're going to annoy some people just like me. It's going to be great.
We got that new exhaust smell going on right now.
Yeah, the polish. It's turning orange or gold.
Gold.
Touch it.
Go ahead.
Touch it. Yeah. Warm your fingers up.
Yeah.
No, man, I think this is definitely a good thing, man. If you're running a high horsepower tune, you will absolutely notice a performance increase. And again, you already had a cat delete.
Yep.
You know, so this was purely just the muffler.
Yep.
So the muffler itself was smothering your motor.
Yep.
Measurably.
Yes.
So that
Not anymore.
Yeah, not anymore. Just goes to show that this garbage here ain't all it's cracked up to be.
No.
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 Okay, good.
Look, I can bend down a little bit, and then I can go back up, wait, like this, like.
What are you trying to prove?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just go ahead.
Okay. What?
I just grew.
Where'd you go?
There, back.
Look. Oh my God, look how tall I'm getting. Oh, I'm right off, can't do it. I just keep getting taller. Stupid. So thank you guys for stopping by. We are definitely getting out of the barn after today. I think next week we're going on a group ride with a bunch of people. I don't know how many people are going to be there, but it's supposed to be a lot.
Yeah, St. Helens, right?
St. Helens. We've never been there, so we're really excited to go. We got our machines all tuned up. The clutching is freaking spot on. We got oil changes, differential changes, brake changes. Dude, we're ready for 2019, so I hope you guys are ready for 2019 too. It's going to be wild.
Yes, done with the wrenching. Time for some riding.
Yes, until it's time to put bigger turbos on.
I mean, we're just going to go for a ride and then do some more wrenching. That's what I meant to say.
We'll see you guys very soon, man. Thanks for stopping by.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
Man, that whole thing looks good.
Yeah, it does. Hey, come on!
What was that?
I don't know, but you ruined my beauty shot. I gotta do it over. Okay, now I fucked it up again.
Where's the light at? Do it again.
Okay, here we go.